Welcome to this unboxing video of the latest Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. This is one of the 3 flagship phones that Samsung has released in 2020. The S20 Plus comes in a compact black box that has a nice matte finish to it. And tucked beneath the cover is another box that contains some items which we will be looking at later on. When opened, you will be greeted with a large 6.7-inch display, just slightly smaller than its big brother, the S20 Ultra, with a mammoth 6.9-inch display. The phone has some decent weight to it, weighing just about 186 grams, and at the back you'll see the 4 cameras. There is a cover piece for the peripherals, then you'll see right away the power plug for charging. This is a fast charging charger with a USB-C type connector. Then you get the charging cable. This one has a USB-C connectors on both ends. USB-C cables can carry more power, which is perfect for fast charging. Next we have the stock earphones, which is made by AKG. Samsung has partnered with AKG to provide top quality audio devices for their phones. These are in-ear earphones, which is cool since they have the ability to somehow reject outside noise without any fancy algorithms or noise cancelling devices. It also comes with extra rubber caps for sizing and in case you need to replace them. Okay, now let's take a look at that box underneath the cover. At the back we have the pin for the SIM and the memory card tray, very handy. Inside we have a rubber casing along with the paperworks. We have the warranty card, you'd want to keep this, and also the quick start guide to help you set up your phone. At this stage, you probably already noticed that everything came in black, except for the rubber casing. The packaging was really neat, and as mentioned earlier, compact. It has a nice professional look and feel to it, something you'd expect for a premium priced phone. A closer look at the phone. The screen, by the way, already has the screen protector on it. At the back, it has a plastic cover which can be taken off. The camera has a 12 megapixel wide angle, 64 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a time of flight camera. The SIM tray is located at the top of the phone. You'll see a little hole for the pin to go through, and this will eject the tray. At the bottom, you'll see the speaker and the USB-C port. The S20 series does not have the 3.5mm earphone jack, which is not a big deal for me. On the sides you can see the power button and the volume rockers. Very convenient with easy access to your right thumb. Okay, that's it for this unboxing video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestion, just post a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.